Hello, Joshua. Thank you for sharing your video. Your video was a little bit too short. The assignment called for a 2-minute video, and yours was something like, let me see what my notes say, 45 seconds. So you need to work on getting your ideas lined up and maybe even making a small list, a short list, maybe just main topics, so that you don't get lost in the process and don't meet the time requirement. The time requirement forces you to have enough content, but not too much. And so it's a discipline that speakers have to observe, and it also forces speakers to practice with their timer so that they know that they have exactly the right amount or close to the right amount of content. So I enjoyed seeing your video, and I hope you'll feel free to ask questions and go forward into the Milestone 2 assignment, and I'll be looking for your next video.